Ready to start a high-demand career in automation? Become a mechatronics maintenance technician and help shape the future of manufacturing at Hennepin Technical College. Design, build, and troubleshoot systems used in today's advanced industries, from manufacturing to supply chains.
We teach a lot of industry-related coursework, electrical, pneumatics. We also get more into the programmer-level classes. We have multiple robotics programs.
When you get into the field, you're going to be working on this exact equipment, and so it's very nice to do that before you actually go into the field.
Whether your goal is robotics design, smart manufacturing, or automation systems integration, Hennepin Tech gets you connected. Gain the skills employers are looking for in the fast-growing world of automation. At Hennepin Tech, we collaborate with industry leaders to offer apprenticeships that prepare our students for high-wage, in-demand careers. Enroll today at Hennepin Tech.